Introduction to HTML tables. HTML tables are used to arrange data into a structured format. They consist of rows and columns, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. HTML5 allows for significant flexibility in creating tables. Creating an HTML5 table. A table is created with the table tag. Rows are defined by tags. Cells within rows are created using T tags. Adding headers to tables. Headers can be added to tables for better readability and structure. This is achieved using the TET tag. The text within the tag is bolded by default. Adding borders to tables. Borders can be added to tables and cells using the CSS border property, improving table readability. The CSS nth child selector can be used to add different background colors to even and odd rows. Common mistakes and tips. Ensure all tags are properly closed to avoid unexpected results. Use the THEAD to body and tfoot tags for large tables to improve readability and semantics. Avoid using tables for layout due to accessibility issues. Use CSS instead. Conclusion: HTML tables are a powerful tool for displaying structured data. Remember to close your tags, use table headers, and improve readability with CSS. Tables should be used for their intended purpose, displaying data.